Hello there, bonsai friends, I'm Peter. Welcome to my channel.
In this video, I'll work on two juniper plants from the garden center. This is the first one, becoming this pre-bonsai afterwards. This is the second one, as a result. These shrubs are Juniperus phaseryana, also called Juniperus media. In these pictures you can see the difference between Itoigava juniper on the left side with very dense foliage, and on the right side now, the phaseryana type. This species grows quite fast. The next pictures show some older junipers of this species. I regularly trimmed them for some time in order to get the compact foliage. It works. Compare some pictures of a Juniperus chinensis Itoigava. Let us start with the first tree. At this point in time, I really don't know what will happen. During my work, I decide on the cropping and shaping. Every plant is different. The wire helps me to bring the tree into shape. I start to cut off branches just by feeling. It's more or less just the balance of the tree and setting the front view together with the movement of the trunk and a root base. The result is not too spectacular, but I think there will be some changes in the future. The second juniper will be more special, but sorry for the first minutes I had finger trouble and forgot to turn on the camera. I chewed the biggest and longest branch to form a deadwood part. After that, the foliage is to be rearranged. A lot of larger branches are removed. They become cuttings. then the key decision. Tilt the tree to get a new angle. The deadwood will become into a semi-cascade position. I think I like it. Next follows the wiring of the deadwood branch and the arrangement of the other branches and the upper part of the foliage. This will take a lot of time. Have fun watching. since a part of the roots is quite exposed, I arranged some moss with toothpicks as a small cover. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, stay tuned and stay healthy. Until the next time.